In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with the Dhgate Affiliate Program 2025. First, here's how the affiliate system works in plain terms. You share a special Dhgate product link. When someone clicks your link and completes a purchase on Dhgate, you earn a commission. Commission rates vary by category and often go up to about 10%, so choosing what you promote matters. To get started, head to the Dhgate Affiliate Program page and select Join Now or Sign Up. Create your account using your email and provide details about where you'll promote, such as a website, social channel, or content creator profile. Submit your application and wait for approval, which typically takes 1 to 3 days. You don't need a big website to begin. A TikTok, Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube channel, blog, or even a link in bio hub can be enough to get approved. After approval, log into your affiliate center. This dashboard is your control room. You'll find product links, category commission rates, tracking tools, and earnings reports. To generate a link, find a product on Dhgate, copy its URL, paste it into the affiliate link generator, click generate, and copy your unique tracking link. Only these affiliate links will track sales and pay you commission. Next, choose products that convert well. Strong picks in 2025 include sneakers and fashion, watches and accessories, phone gadgets, home and kitchen tools, and items trending on short-form video platforms. Prioritize listings with high order counts, solid reviews, and affordable prices. If a product resembles a popular brand, be mindful of platform policies and local laws, and keep your wording accurate and transparent. Now promote your links where your audience hangs out. Short videos on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts perform well. Think quick demos, is it worth it? Reviews, unboxings, and price comparisons. In Facebook groups, share deals and helpful recommendations and add your link where appropriate. On a blog or website, create roundups, best alternatives lists, and detailed reviews. Use link in bio tools like Linktree, Beacons, or Card to organize multiple links. Always disclose that your content contains affiliate links to stay compliant. Track your performance in the dashboard. Monitor clicks, orders, commissions earned, and what's pending versus approved. Commissions become available after the buyer confirms the order. When you're ready to cash out, Dhgate typically pays via PayPal or regional bank transfer. Expect a minimum payout threshold and a monthly payment schedule. To scale, post short videos consistently, lean into trending hashtags, promote multiple products, and test angles like cheaper alternatives, hidden finds, or budget versus original. One solid viral clip can drive hundreds or even thousands in commissions. Keep testing, keep tracking, and keep refining. You've got this.